Hi, this is Vanryn. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got something exciting for you. Have you ever wished you could create professional videos without expensive software, complicated setups, or even a separate microphone? Stick around because I'm about to show you how Canva's recording features can make it happen in just a few clicks. So first go to Canva and then click upload, and you can see this feature right here, this record yourself, and then click it. And here we have three features: the record, our talking head, record voiceover, and generated AI voice. Now let's test the first one. So by the way, this one, Canva lets you record yourself directly inside your design using your webcam. Of course, this is perfect for creators, teachers, and lecturers who want a personal touch. Your face on screen builds trust and connection, whether you're delivering a course model or an engaging YouTube video. Click it. Hello! So before you record, you must know that recordings are limited to 25 minutes per page. If you exceed this limit, your recording won't be saved. Okay. And if you're ready, then hit record. 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year. Now, you can start talking. For example, what is verb? Anyone from the class? Anyone? Yes, verb are those things who flies. Yes. Oh, that's a bird. I'm sorry. I thought that's a verb. Okay, what is a verb? Verb is an action word. Very good. Example: jumping, clapping, falling from the wrong person. Okay. If you're done, or if you're not done, then you can pause it. You can resume it. And if you don't like it, then you can delete it. Okay? And if you're done, just click done. And save and exit. And then let's try it. Now, you can start talking. For example, what is verb? Anyone from the class? Anyone? Yes, verb are those things who flies. Yes. Oh, that's a bird. I'm sorry. I thought that's a verb. Okay, what is a verb? Verb is an action word. Very good. Example: jumping, clapping, falling from the wrong person. Okay, if you're done, or if you're not done. The second feature is the voiceover. So if you prefer not to appear on camera, Canva has a built-in voice recorder. This is great for walkthroughs, slideshows, or step-by-step lessons. You can match your voice directly to your presentation slides. No third-party tools needed. So let's click it. So if you're ready, then click record. 3, 2, 1. Okay, you can pause it, and also you can delete it. And if you're done, just hit finish. Okay. Again, if you don't want to appear on camera, then hit record voiceover. Okay. The third feature is the generated AI voice. So for days, if you're not in the mood to talk, or if you want a quick turnaround, Canva now offers AI generated voiceover. Just type your script. Let's click it. Just type your script here, and Canva will read it aloud with natural sounding voices. This is a game changer for busy creators or educators who need content fast. Okay, let's try it. Okay, let's try Lisa.
Hi, this is Vanryn. Welcome back to my channel.
Hi, this is Vanryn. Welcome back to my channel.
And of course, you can select different voices right here, different accents. For example, if you want to have Arabic, Danish, Finnish, German. Well, it's up to you. Okay? Just click this arrow down and you can choose. Okay, so this is the use of AI generated voice. So this record yourself in Canva, these free features right here will be a benefit for all of our creators, teachers, and lecturers. Of course, because it can save time, no need to switch between apps for recording and editing, the cost effective. All tools are in one place. The professional look, of course, pair your recordings with Canva's beautiful templates, graphics, and animations. And the most important of all is the flexibility. Choose video, audio, or AI voice depending on your mood, time, or style. So these are the 3 features of the Canvas Record Yourself. Okay, so I hope this helps. See you in my next vlog. Bye.